Welcome to Gen Ed 53 Overview of Addiction. In this guide, you're going to find everything you'll need to navigate this online classroom. We'll cover access to course materials, how to participate in discussions, submit assignments, and to get the most out of your learning experience. The first thing I suggest is to get online and to familiarize yourself with the platform. By clicking the schedule link, you'll have access to see all of the things that we'll be working on throughout the semester and the suggested timelines. So what we'll have here is we have the weeks that we're on, the dates of that week, the topic we'll be looking at, our key learning objectives, learning activities, and any assignments, and then the resources we'll be using for that. So what you can see is in the first couple of weeks, we'll be looking at chapter 1 of the textbook, and there'll be a discussion forum, videos posted, and you can see here a due date, and so the assignments and learning assignments are due September 15th. So each module is 2 weeks. What you can see here is in module 2, which is September 16th to 29th, we have a quiz which is due by September 29th. I'll talk more about that later. But so first familiarize yourself with the schedule and see what is coming up throughout this semester. In this link about course, you're going to find information about the textbook. I've sent out an email in regards to that as well. It is a required text and you will need to do it because this is an asynchronous online course. And then you see the assessment link. You will also have access to schedules, discussion forums. I will do another video where I actually discuss the discussion forums. And then you have lastly the modules. And as I had said before, we are working currently in the next 2 weeks on module 1. So what you would do is you'll access the module by clicking the link. There's in this one I have a discussion forum guideline. Please go through and read that so that we can have a good understanding of the guidelines of the discussion forum. And by clicking the overview, you'll start to see what's expected. It'll introduce it. In this module we have a video to watch, so there'll be a video and then a summary, as well as interacting with the discussion board. So that is our online course and how we operate it. As I said before, I'm going to do another video specifically outlining the discussion boards and how we utilize the discussion boards in this class. That is a large component. It's 50% of the course and interacting on the discussion board. I hope everyone has a great semester. Please reach out if you have any questions. You can get a hold of me through email at jmccourt@sl.on.ca.